Are your Google Ads getting clicks but no conversions? You see traffic coming to your website but nobody is buying, calling or signing up? This is one of the most frustrating situations in Google Ads. Hey, I'm Jasmin, and in this video I show you the most common reasons why campaigns get clicks but no conversions and how you can fix them. So if you're getting clicks and impressions like here, you see we're getting impressions and clicks but zero conversions, like no leads or sales. The problem is usually not the clicks themselves. It's something else in the campaign setup. So I'll explain here in this video 4 common reasons why this happens and what you can do to improve your results. Reason number 1, wrong keywords. One of the most common problems is targeting keywords with a low buying intent. Because some keywords, they attract people who are just researching and not ready to become customers. I want to give you an example of a taxi company in Melbourne. I ran the campaign here. So high intent searches would be taxi Melbourne Airport, for example, or for example, taxi to Melbourne Airport. But like a low intent search might be taxi jobs or taxi jobs Melbourne or how much taxi drivers earn, because these people are not looking for a ride, so they won't convert. How to fix that? Focus on high intent keywords only and regularly check your search term report. Reason number 2, the landing page doesn't match your ad. Imagine someone clicks your ad for taxi Melbourne Airport transfer, but when they land on the website, it takes too long to load, the booking option isn't clear, or the phone number is hard to find. So what happens is that the people will leave within just seconds. So remember, clicks bring visitors, but the landing page actually creates the conversions. So your landing page should clearly show the service, a clear call to action, and an easy way to book or contact you. So try to keep the landing page as simple as possible. For example, here, this is how a landing page should look like. You can see here that you can book your ride here, and here as well you get the option to call now. It doesn't need to have any distractions. Reason number 3, the offer is just not attractive. So sometimes the problem is simply the offer itself. If the competitors offer like a faster service, the better pricing and clearer booking options, so the users may click your ad and then they might compare the options and then choose someone else, like your competitor. So this is very common in competitive industries, like for example in the taxi industry. How to fix that? Make your offer clear and attractive. Like just offer 24/7 taxi service, offer like an airport pickup within 10 minutes, or like fixed price airport transfers. Like communicate a clear value because this increases conversion rates. And last but not least, reason number 4, not enough data yet. So sometimes the campaign simply doesn't have enough data yet. So if you only receive like 10 or 15 clicks, it's completely normal to have 0 conversions so far. So as you can see here, it's a campaign as well. Like we're getting some clicks here, like we have 14 clicks, and then here we're having 18 clicks. Here it's just too early to make any decision. So remember, many businesses, they have a conversion rate of just 3 to 10%. So that means you may need like 30, 50 or even 100 clicks or more before seeing like consistent conversions. Yeah, how to fix that? Like give the campaign enough time to collect data before making big decisions in Google Ads. A useful tool to check why you might getting like a lot of clicks but no conversions is the search term report. So the search term report you find under Insights and Reports and then under Search Terms. So here you can actually see what the people are actually searching for, which searches triggered your ads, and whether these searches match your service. So if the search terms are irrelevant, that's a strong signal that your targeting needs some improvement. If you want to know more about a search term report, I can recommend you another video. It's linked here. Let me give you a quick recap of what I just said. If your Google ads are getting clicks and impressions, but no conversions, just like here in this data, the most common reasons are wrong keywords or low intent traffic, a weak or confusing landing page, an offer that isn't attractive enough, or simply not enough data yet. So fixing these issues can significantly improve your conversion rates. If this video helped you to understand why your Google Ads might be getting impressions and clicks, but no conversions, feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.